We are wired to talk about problems, right? The things we think most about are problems. The problem is we don't know how to think about problems because we get stuck. Einstein said you cannot solve a problem with the same level of consciousness that created it. And that's why I created Mission to Health. I created the Mission to Health program as an answer to the consciousness getting stuck. We know, I'm sure that you're on this video because either we know each other, you've heard about me, or you're just associated with the topic. But I work in the health and fitness realm. I've worked in the health and fitness realm for a long time. And here's what I think is important to know. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s, you've had your body for a long time. There is a lot about your body you don't know. There are things that happen to, through, and within you that you can't quite articulate. Am I right? You've experienced pain and not know why. One day you were reaching over and your back hurt. You can't move your toe when you go to lift it up. You've walked on your feet for decades, but you can't pick up your toe. You have neck pain. You're an amazing athlete. You can do a ton of really great things, but you have chronic neck pain. Aren't you curious about why? In my Mission to Health program, I outline the ways for thinking about problems. The external problem, the neck. The internal problem, it's frustrating when I have to take care of my neck. It feels like a burden. It feels like I'm never going to get past this neck pain or this neck discomfort. It's always there. Then that falls off your radar. You forget that the villain of your good time is your neck. You forget until you experience the symptom again. In my Mission to Health program, I outline the ways for creating the voice within yourself that can motivate you to take care of the neck problem before you have the symptom. Now think about that for a second. Most people, they lack the follow-through to heal until they experience the symptom. They have to experience the pain, and they have to experience the pain enough physically in their body. And then that pain has to stop them from acting in an event that they like, an activity they love, they enjoy. Now they can't do it. And now they say, well, let me take care of this neck problem. In my Mission to Health program, I outline the way for getting in touch with the voice that's going to motivate you to commit to healing, helping, and moving. Don't you want to heal yourself and move forward? This is one of the best set of sequences of dialogue, conceptions that I know of in reference to caring for your health. And in my Mission to Health program, I outline for you specifically whether you have had your body for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, 80 years, whether you have had 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, over 12 surgeries. I am 100% confident that you will pull away with something new that you did not know about your body, and you will have the power within you to take action to learn more about your problem, to do the movements, see the people, or understand how you need to heal yourself, and you will learn a set of guiding principles that can help you now, next year, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. So if you are a little bit curious about my Mission to Health program, stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing more about it with you. But in a parting thought, I want you to consider this. Why wait for the symptom, the pain in the neck, the pain in the back, the pain in the knee, not being able to pick up your big toe, before you take action on healing and moving and feeling better? In my Mission to Health program, I teach you the tools, the techniques, the strategies, and the tactics that I find to be the most valuable that will help you to stay motivated on your mission to health. If you like this video, please stay tuned. If you got my newsletter, thanks for subscribing to it. My YouTube, thanks for subscribing. I hope you like it. My Instagram, check me out, DominicSessa.com. Talk to you soon.